The Schlage BE365 keyless deadbolt is a popular choice for home security, but it comes with several well-known issues that homeowners frequently encounter. The BE365 consists of a front keypad for code entry and a rear thumb turn mechanism. Understanding these components helps identify where problems typically occur. The four most common issues include deadbolt engagement problems, unresponsive keypads, rapid battery drain, and internal component wear, particularly a small pin that connects the motor to the bolt mechanism. First, address battery issues by replacing the 9-volt battery with a high-quality alkaline one. Ensure correct polarity and clean any corrosion from the terminals. For keypad problems, clean the surface thoroughly and check each button for proper function. Dirt and debris can cause buttons to stick or become unresponsive. When the deadbolt won't engage, check door alignment with the strike plate. Test the thumb turn manually to ensure smooth operation without binding. Lubricate the lock mechanism with graphite lubricant, never oil-based products. Work the lock several times after application to distribute the lubricant properly. Most importantly, always keep your physical key readily available as a backup. Electronic locks can fail, and having a mechanical override ensures you won't be locked out of your home. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your Schlage BE365 issues, more advanced diagnostic techniques are needed to identify and fix persistent problems. One common advanced issue is the lock and leave feature not working properly. This is often caused by incorrect cam alignment during installation. If your lock spins freely without engaging the deadbolt, the internal connecting pin may be broken. This is a mechanical failure that typically requires lock replacement. Rapid battery drain, where batteries die within weeks instead of years, often indicates internal wiring issues or electrical leaks that require warranty replacement. Given the BE365's known reliability issues, many users are upgrading to newer smart locks with improved features, mobile app control, and better long-term reliability. Before considering replacement, verify your installation is correct. Many engagement problems stem from improper door alignment, incorrect strike plate positioning, or loose mounting hardware. The Schlage BE365 typically includes a lifetime limited mechanical warranty and a 1 to 3 year electronics warranty. If problems persist after troubleshooting, contact Schlage support for warranty replacement or repair options. Advanced troubleshooting requires systematic diagnosis of mechanical and electrical components. When issues persist despite proper installation and basic fixes, warranty replacement or upgrading to a more reliable smart lock system may be the best solution.